This will be a continuation of the 11th problem in my series. In this video, we'll look at a real example of a series parallel circuit problem using a Wheatstone bridge. Once I am finished with this series of problems, I'll be posting them in my Stan store at this web address. Given this circuit, our task will be to calculate the value of Rx in this balanced DC bridge network. The bridge network is balanced when R3 is adjusted so that VA is equal to VB, 2 kiloohms. Then Rx will equal R2 times R3, all divided by R1. Placing the real values, it equals 20 times 2 divided by 10, which is equal to 4 kiloohms. This is a reminder that Anchor is your main supplier for all things involving your power needs, big or small, and there is always plenty of deals to be had by simply browsing to this web address. And remember, this video has been brought to you by PSPT, where you will find electrical training videos when you go to this web address, which will also give you a free copy of my 50-page crib sheets that you can use while viewing any of my courses, or just keep it handy during your everyday work.